Hello guys, it's Jim and I'm back today with another banger. But today we're going into another research level. Today I'm going to take you in, guys, today with some retail arbitrage. Today is another thing that I got on and I've been making some good money from it. So today we're going to be going to look up some laptops today from Walmart that flip back to turn into tablets. But I do got a lot of packages that I got to drop off here to my pack and ship place that's right here in Bel Air, Florida. So I'm going to go ahead and take you guys through here, drop these packages off, and we're going to go ahead and ride around through a couple of Walmarts, because finding these tablets may be like miles per vary, just because some of the stores may be sold out typically, or some of the stores may not have the same clearance price as my store does. But I'm going to go to all the stores that says they have the clearance price for $74. So guys, follow along.
So today I went ahead and got some packages. I got a bunch of shipped up from yesterday that I got to go ahead and make up. How you doing there, sir?
This is all new.
And I got another box over here.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
No problem, ma'am. You have a wonderful, blessed day. And another one I got right here full of packages that I have to go out. I will blur those packages out, but it's fully loaded. But we're going to go ahead and try to find some other inventory today, so we can go ahead and fulfill our Amazon and our eBay. This is my pack and ship place. It is located in Bel Air, Florida. They do have minor objects to sell, so if you come through here and ship something out, you can look around and you may be able to buy something that you like, or be able to see something that you like, and so you can go ahead and jump on that with a definite good deal. They always work on you with prices up here, and their shipping prices are wonderful and great. So let's go ahead and get to this inventory and get to Walmart. Alrighty guys, as you can see, I done found one of our locations and I done pulled up in this joint. This store says it has approximately 2 or 3 of these laptops. So I'm gonna go up in here today and see if I can get a couple of these joints for the low. Let's go, guys. Let's see what we got today. See if we see gonna come through like that today. Okay guys, they got a couple other items in this joint today. Ooh, let me cross over to the right side. But they got a couple other joints in this thing today, but I'm only interested in these laptops. So I'm finna go straight back to the electronic section and see, can I find these things. I'm gonna go ahead and whip my phone out and go ahead and pull these barcodes up so I can already have them up and ready. Let's go. I think this is the location. One time I came here and they had Hamilton Beach toasters on clearance for $5. I bought each one for $5 and I was selling them for like $35 a piece. It was a very lucrative thing, but I could not find them at any other Walmarts. At all the other Walmarts, they were pretty much taxing about like $15 for them, where there wasn't that much profit on them. So here, so let me go ahead, and this is the laptop I'm looking for right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and view this barcode, find one of these associates in this store, and see if we can go ahead and get this laptop. Let's see what we got. If anybody knows Walmart has the fucking shittiest customer service, so it's hard to say. So sometimes they also hold products in the back. But looks like we got one of them over there. I don't really want to get him on camera, but he's look like he's helping an associate. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait up here around the customer counter. So when he gets back, we can go ahead and see if we can get these gems. I'm also gonna go ahead and hit the clearance aisle. See if we can go ahead and get a couple of clearance deals today. Who's this calling? I can't take no calls right now. But I'm also gonna hit the clearance aisle, see if they got any clearance items. About like a week ago, I did get these sheets, and it wasn't this location, but it was another Walmart. The location I am in now is Roosevelt on US 19, and I believe it's East Bay Drive and US 19. But this is not the location. I found another location. I found some sheets, they was called, and they were literally sheets, as SHEEX. and I bought them for $35. They were selling for $100 a pop. I sold out within them. I bought like 6 or 7 of them, and I sold out within probably about 3 or 4 days. So it was a very lucrative thing. So let's see if they got this thing. Hey, my man. Hey, you want to see if y'all got these products here for me?
Try. Alright, let me see. It says we have some. Let me go check for you.
Alright.
How many do you need?
I want all of them. Alright, they said they got a couple of them on here. What's the price they're bringing up, my man?
74.
Yes, sir. I want all of them. So we did find a couple of them. They said they got like 2 or 3 of them, I believe. I just got a Walmart Associates. I told them I basically want all of them. Because if y'all think I came to play with y'all, well, God damn it, I'm not. Okay, guys. So I'm back and I'm waiting on this Walmart Associate to bring back these laptops. He said they had a couple in stock, so I'm waiting to see what arrived, to see what's going on, because I don't care if they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna buy them all regardless of however, because these things are pretty much selling for a phenomenal price. And I want to show you guys that it is easy as this to go find some things. Just because Walmart.com says they have them on the internet for $179, that may be the internet price, that may be another store price, but I've already looked at the store prices that have this computer in stock for $74, and this was one of the locations. So I'm here now waiting for these things to come back, and we finna get it, man. But I do want to go ahead, hit this clearance out in this Walmart and see what else they got, because I'm pretty sure they got some other items in this Walmart that's going for a good deal. Just as you guys can see, this TLC right here, 55-inch, it's going for $358 brand new. But I ain't even gonna cut y'all no lie. Best Buy had this same TV open box. I know it's open box, but Best Buy comes with a warranty just as this one. Just know they open box, but I think it was like $315 or $307. It was one of those similar prices like that, but Best Buy did have that deal. But they also do got these here they go, these Bauer ring lights. These things right here I've heard was great. I've got one of my friends on Twitch and she actually used one of these things. I've been waiting for them to go to a better price so I can go ahead and load up on them. They are resellable, but this is not really a good resellable price as $19. So once they drop a little bit more, I will be interested in them and go ahead and get that. Look at all of these phone cases on clearance, guys. You guys want some phone cases? I mean, Walmart got them joints on clearance. Even the Apple Watch 7 series screen protectors, the whole nine. I'm talking about $2, guys, from $10. Those are good deals. You can't even beat that. They got, what's this, an OtterBox right here for $10. That's a hell of a deal, guys. You can't even beat that. Where the f is this guy at? All right, guys. So this wonderful Walmart associate have arrived, and he has 1 of them right there, 2 of them, 3 of them, and how much you said it was?
I believe it's
$74, guys. So I'm not even finna play. I'm finna go ahead and buy all of these things and show y'all guys what it is. Would you like one, ma'am? I don't like to just say G everybody, but hey, it's a laptop.
Oh no.
Oh.
Look at us if you want Office on your new PC.
What's that, my man?
Do you want Office with your new PC?
No, I'm good, my man. I appreciate it. What's going on, my man?
You want a 2-year plan for $28?
No, sir.
To me, what is that? This is VTech? The green box? No. In there? It should have my name on it. Well, it doesn't, but. CD 1153, yeah. I think that's the last one you guys have.
Okay, so it's telling me the item limits.
Yes.
The screen's telling me I can only do 2.
Thing should be in
Yeah,
there,
I can
but
only do
sometimes
2.
in ship.
You can do it too, my damn, my man.
Alright. Total is 158.36.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6. So at least go ahead and 2 of them. I'm finna come back and get this 3rd one and circle around the block. I have my man right here. He say he don't want to get the 3rd one, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the 3rd one.
Everything is
Yeah, it's per day.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Oh, it ain't nothing. I ain't finna buy it, my man.
Yeah.
I'm just letting you know. I don't want you to
Oh, it ain't
waste
nothing.
your time.
Oh yeah, I understand. Totally understand. I know how it works, my man. That's why I was trying to get my man to buy it so I could buy his sub or whatever in his Powerade I have, but he don't want to buy it. I mean, like that.
Should I pay
He
you
can go
up
ahead
front?
and get a free meal on the house.
You can pay it back here, you can pay it up front.
Okay, because I want to get a pint too, so I have to go to the garden.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dimitri.
Thank you.
There you go.
I appreciate it, my man.
Well, you have a good one.
Yes, sir. You have a blessed one. Alrighty, so I have went on ahead and bagged 2 of these things. As you guys can see, I'm finna go ahead and just find me another polite customer that pretty much probably about a couple of dollars that'll pretty much go ahead and buy this thing for me so I can go ahead and flip it for a phenomenal amount of dollars. But I also do want to find this. Yes, sir. But I also do want to find this clearance out and see what they do have in this store on clearance. But I'm not sure where they're. Oh, look at this sign right here. That's the clearance sign. Let's go and see what they got on clearance. Got the adventure backpacks. I've already been loaded up on these things. Really check out this Bissell vacuum from $219 now to $170. Got another Hoover down here. $129 now it's $95. Also got another 109 down to $90. But I can tell you guys right now, if I probably hit these things with this Walmart amp, these things are probably cheaper than they are. You can come through, sir. They're probably cheaper than they are, but I'm just coming here to scan to see what we got here today. Excuse me, ma'am. Ooh, look at all of this carpet cleaner down here. I doubt that's even probably profitable. Oh, well, that looks like a good price, so I'm gonna go ahead and scan this item, see what I can come up. Okay, now that I pulled up my Walmart app, you guys, and if you guys don't pretty much already know, you got to pay to play. At this point, Walmart ain't playing no games, so the price is $9 each. So let's see what they're going on Amazon. Trying to scan the clearance barcode. Come on. And they're going for $15.98 on Amazon, but it requires approval. Let me see if they're gonna go ahead and give it to me. Let's find out. And no, I got denied, so I won't be interested in this product. So let's go to the next product and see what we got. They have been having a lot of sunscreens on clearance, as you guys can see up here, but they even have a lot of the aloe ones that's maybe even still on the shelf that they haven't even clearanced out over here, that's going on clearance. I've been already seen it. They got some headphone jacks. I mean, typically just for uses, but none of this stuff is really profitable as far as reselling. Yeah, the best thing would be to probably attack in this location here would probably be those vacuums down there. Those vacuums down there would probably be pretty lucrative depending on if you can sell them. I doubt I can sell them because I can even sell the Bissell, which that would be the same over those. So it would be Hoover. But let's check out these little Soundwave. No, that's not even a good clearance price. I mean, $13.02 from $15. No, I'll just leave that right there. So we got our 2 laptops, what we came here to get today, guys. So I just wanted to check out this clearance aisle, see if it was anything on this aisle that we can go ahead and pick up and flip. Obviously there's not, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video right here. Once I get out to the parking lot, I'll go ahead and show you guys the receipt for these things and go ahead and show you guys how easy it was to get them.